The overall goal of this wipe sampling methodology is to provide a standardized way to measure collection efficiency.
This method can help answer key questions in the surface wipe sampling field, such as how to best detect traces of explosives.
The main advantage to this technique is that it minimizes operator variability compared to other techniques that measure sampling efficiency.
The test apparatus is designed with a movable plane that secures a prepared test wipe. After preparing the apparatus for use, configure the wipe sampling procedure. First, move the plane to the starting position and place a test surface on the testing plane without adhering it. Then, place a paper template flush to the edges of the test surface and adhere it there with tape. The template marks the start position and the sampling path. Next, move the surface and template back and forth on the plane until the wipe sits on the starting location, when the restraining wire is taut. Then, move the surface and template side to side until the restraining wire is centered down the travel path. The position of the surface on the plane is now correct. Mark this location. And then, adhere the surface to the plane using double stick tape. Now, program the instrument software control with the travel distance and travel speed. Then, initiate the movement of the plane. Check if the wipe follows the sampling path for the entire travel distance.